Welcome to this quick tutorial on how to use PVAPins, your go-to platform for buying virtual phone numbers for verification and testing. First, go to pvapins.com. On the top right, click Sign Up. Then click on Register New Account button. Now fill in your details, name, email address, strong password and CPACHA. Then click Register. After that, check your email inbox to verify your account. Once verified, you can log into your dashboard. Next, let's recharge your wallet to buy a virtual number. After successfully logged in, you will see your dashboard like this. Hover on top up and click the Recharge Your Account option. Here you will see the available payment method based on your country. Select any payment method. I used cash to recharge my account. Then select the amount. I choose $5. Then click on Create button and follow the procedure. After successfully recharged, the funds are added to your wallet and you are good to purchase a number. Now search for your preferable country, which country number you want to use. Search your app. You will see some package with its rate. Click any package from here and wait a little bit, you will see your number here. Take this number and enjoy your journey. If faced any problem, just tap on WhatsApp button and leave your message. We are ready to solve any technical issue 24/7. Thank you. Let's start how to sign up an app and verify it with a virtual phone number via PVAPins. Look at the phone screen first. In this field you have to enter a phone number. Now return to PVAPins and search here any country. Select the country, search here your app which you want to verify. You will see some available number with purchase cost. Select any number and wait a little bit. You will get a number. Take this number and enter it for verification. A verification code will be shown here automatically, or you can click the refresh button. Take this code and finish the verification procedure. Thank you for using PVAPins.